Entrepreneurs, do you have a few minutes to learn how you can truly earn an executive-level income with big-ticket sales in the digital license industry? We're talking about 90% commissions on license fees for software, videos, and ebooks in bundles of $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000.
June 21, 2019's Economy San Diego. Editing human DNA has entered the public consciousness in a big way in recent years with its increasing use in laboratories, and, in recent news that shocked the scientific community, in embryos, of tools such as CRISPR-Cas9. Locana, a gene therapy biotech in San Diego, is taking what it describes as a parallel path to developing therapeutics that could potentially fix diseases by changing our genetic code through altering DNA's molecular compatriot, RNA. Tweaking RNA may let scientists avoid some of the concerns swirling around editing DNA or genetic map, such as the risk that subsequent generations could inherit any gene edits. RNA molecules are messengers that shuttle genetic instructions about how to make proteins to a cell's protein-making machinery. Locana was founded in 2016 based on technology developed by Jean Yeo and David Nels in their lab at UC San Diego and licensed from the university. Nels is Locana's chief technology officer. Yeo, who has been involved in founding a number of startups, is chairman of the scientific advisory board. Yeo also was one of two big idea winners at the first ever Economy Awards San Diego, held last month. The team published a paper that year in Cell that showed how the lab had tweaked CRISPR-Cas9 to track RNA molecules, which allows scientists to monitor the strands as they move around in live cells. At first, Yeo said he thought the best use of the discovery would be as a diagnostic tool. But in 2017, Ron Batra, Locana's vice president of research and development, published another paper in Cell showing that, in the lab, the company had figured out how to get CRISPR to target the RNAs with certain repeated sequences in 3 genetic diseases known to be caused by these repeats: muscular dystrophy, Huntington's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. That changed the company's aim from diagnostics to therapeutics, and Locana raised seed capital from 3 institutional investors: Arch Venture Partners, Lightstone Ventures, and Temasek, a Singaporean sovereign wealth fund. Arch, Temasek, and Lightstone were joined in Locana's $55 million Series A round of funding last month by new investors, including GV, previously Google Ventures, and a strategic investor, Belgian pharma company UCB's venture arm, UCB Ventures. Jeff Ostrov, a Locana board member who was appointed CEO this year, says the cash infusion will allow the company to expand its headcount from 5 to approximately 30.